guys, welcome back to my channel. Susan here, aka Miss Princess Susie. Today, I'm looking a little, guys, I've never done anything like this before. I'm absolutely in love. If you guys would like to see how I achieved this look with Halo Lady hair, keep watching. So this hair was sent to me by Halo Lady hair. I got it in 12 inches, and so yeah, on the inside it has 3 clips and it has a clip at the back, and it also has adjustable straps, so you're able to adjust the strap to the way your head shape is. So I'm just gonna make this a bit tighter. So before I put the wig on, I'm just going to cut off the lace. So I've cut the lace and put the wig on, and there's a lot of adjusting that needs to be done or whatever. But yeah, goodness. So because the front of the hair, I want it to look natural. I don't want to look like this. So I'm just going to, I'm going to tweeze the hair. Tweeze, what's that word? I think it begins with P. Pluck. What the hell is going on with me today? But it's all down to personal preference. If you don't want to tweeze the hair, that's fine. I just choose to do so because, I'm extra or whatever. So we're just gonna do this side. This side doesn't need much tweezing. It's pretty much fine. But I'll tweeze it anyways. But yeah, this hair is like quite full. Like, especially if it's your first time trying on a bob, like, it's quite full. You can get the density you want. This is 150 density, so I'm gonna glue the wig down so it's easier for me to style this with my Got2b glue. I'm going to be using the small freeze spray. By the way, I'm only gluing down the sides because I'm trying to create a fringe. So let me just, any extra hair I don't need, I'm just going to cut it off. Take this part off because I don't need that extra hair. So once I've done that, You can glue down the front if you want to. I don't want to glue that part just yet. I use my angle brush and just, you know, brush everything away. So up to you. You could do a center pattern, a set center, whatever you want to do, but I want to try and do a fringe. Guys, this is my first time ever doing a fringe. So I've sectioned the part of the hair that I want to cut for a fringe, and I've clipped the rest of the hair back. This is why I wanted to glue the sides, because it puts everything in place. This way you can, if you don't want to glue it, you don't have to, but just for this process I'm going to do that. So it tends to be, there's a lot of, you know, hair sticking up. I don't know if you guys can see, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some mousse just to, you know, give myself some sort of direction, and I don't want hair everywhere. So guys, like I said, I've never done a fringe before, so this is gonna be my first time trying making an attempt. So I'm happy with what I have here. Going with the scissors. This is the scary part, guys. The scary part. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my scissors and I'm going to cut, if I can find it. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with my scissors and I'm just gonna cut as far as okay, so I didn't cut too much off, which I'm happy with. Go in with a straightener, you guys. So I'm gonna go on and use a straightener for this. I'm just gonna, so this should be hot by now. It's on like 200. I'm just gonna, guys, remember I haven't done this before as well, so I low-key don't know what I'm doing, but it's I just want to make this side more longer. But guys, yeah. It's still a bit long. That's why when cutting, don't cut it too short. Cut it a bit longer. Cut it a bit longer than you'd want it to be. Reason being is that if it's too long or it's too short, you could always go back and fix it. I'm so bad at explaining things. I hate myself. I'm so bad at explaining things, but what I'm trying to say is don't cut too much off or you're gonna regret it. Just cut just enough. This is a bit too long for me, so I'm just gonna, this is the razor I use for my brows, by the way. You could use any razor, but these are the ones I use for my brows. I kind of like when they kind of cover, I kind of like when I'm so bad at explaining things. I kind of like when what are these things called again? I kind of like when the fringe kind of covers your eyes. Last time I got fringe done, it was so bad. Like, one of my mom's friends done it for me and it was so bad. If I could find a picture, I'll insert it, but I hated it so much. It was so bad, literally. So I actually like this. This actually looks quite cute. It's just that it looks like this at the side, but I'm gonna keep straightening it. This is so cute. Oh my god, this is adorable. This is so cute. I love it. You guys don't know, I've been wanting a fringe for the longest time. So any hair I see that's in my face, I'm just gonna cut it off. This is so cute. So I'm gonna take out the rest of the hair and just gonna brush it. Mousse plays a big part in this because it helps everything stay down. Things that are not supposed to be in your way stay down. And yeah. But anyways, another reason why I glued the sides is because I want to tie this motherfucker up. So I'm gonna take, hope I'm not taking some of the fringe, but guys, look at how versatile this wig is. Literally so bomb. I'm gonna try and customize this side more. It looks a bit weird. And this side also. I'm just gonna take this part of the hair and put it up. Guys, this is great for if this is your first time doing a bob. It's affordable, it's versatile, and the quality is so cute. Oh my god. Guys, look. Are you guys seeing this? Guys, I'm so bad with hair. That's another thing. Like, this is my first time ever like doing anything like this. Can you guys see? Oh, my brush on. Wait guys, can you see this? Girl. Oh shit. What the fuck? I'ma have to pump brakes on these hoes. Guys, I did this shit myself. And the hair. Obviously. Oh, the Halo lady hair sent me this hair in a bob in 14 inches. It is so cute, literally, like good quality. It's full 150% density. The hair is a 1B. I think it's a natural hair color, whatever. But yeah, this hair is bomb. I love it so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It probably wasn't the best for me to explain this video, but you guys gotta see me experience trying this on for the first time. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, please press the bell. Don't forget to press the bell, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.